Have you ever been working on a query in Kibana only to be stopped in your tracks by an error message? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle the malformed query, expect end object but found field name error in Kibana. I completely understand how annoying it is when you're trying to get results from your queries, and instead you get cryptic error messages. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users face similar issues when working with complex queries in Kibana. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently encountered the error message, malformed query, expected end object but found field name, while trying to use multiple match blocks within the should section of their query. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this error? It often happens when the JSON structure of your query is not properly formatted. In this case, the issue arises from how the match blocks are structured within the should array. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand. And stick around. I have a valuable tip at the end that will help you avoid these kinds of errors in the future. To address the user's issue with the malformed query error in Kibana, we need to first understand the structure of the query. The user is trying to use multiple match blocks within the should section, but the syntax is incorrect. Next, the user should ensure that each match block is correctly enclosed within its own set of curly braces. This means that each match condition should be a separate object within the should array. Now, let's look at the complete corrected query. The user should ensure that the should array contains properly formatted match objects and that the overall structure adheres to JSON syntax. Finally, the user should test the corrected query in the Kibana console. This will help confirm that the error has been resolved and that the query returns the expected results. Fun fact, did you know that JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation? It's a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for humans to read and write. But when it comes to syntax, it can be a bit tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests trying a different query structure. They recommend using multiple term queries within a must clause instead of match blocks in the should section. Here's the tip I promised. Always validate your JSON structure before running your queries. There are online tools available that can help you check for errors in your JSON syntax. And there you have it. With the correct structure, your query should work without any errors. Remember, proper formatting is key in JSON. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Kibana queries.